it's Michelle. So I have just literally tried to film a whole Julianne Lite and then realised it wasn't recording. So I'm here to show you this beautiful wig that I'm wearing. This is Julianne Lite from Jon Renau, part of the new SmartLace Lite cap collection, part of the 2021 launch. This is very exciting, so exciting. So you may know Julianne. Julianne is a synthetic wig. She is curly. This is how she looks generally, other than she has a bit more density. The additional density doesn't necessarily work on me with the curls and the lengths. However, this 100% density is beautiful. I have not done anything other than run my fingers through this wig, and it is just so beautiful. If you are like me, so the way my face is, and the reason I don't think I generally suit the Julianne, my cheekbones are actually really wide, and to do with where they kind of lie and sit here, for some reason where the curl begins on Julianne normally, I think with my cheekbones being wider, it tends to sit a bit further out on me, and I think Julianne looks amazing on everyone, but for some reason on me, I don't think I look that great in it. Whereas Julianne Lite, when I wear her, I feel it suits me so much better. So it is a lighter density. We're talking 100% density with Julianne Lite, as opposed to Julianne, which I believe is about 115, maybe 125-ish %. So it is a bit lighter. It is very lightweight. We have that full ear-to-ear lace front. We do have that full single monofilament top. Now for the ear tabs, we have polyurethane ear tabs with a metal stay inside. The metal stay bends to allow the ear tab to conform to the shape of your head. The polyurethane allows you to apply adhesive or some form of wig tape. You can use red wig tape on your ear tab. You can use blue wig tape on the lace front. Jon Renau have maintained that hand-tied sides, hand-tied back, and that hand-tied stretch section, which is really great. Now what we also have is this silicone section on the nape, which just allows you to tie this up very easily, and like you can move that hair and it's not tugging on that wig cap, it's not lifting the wig cap. It is just lovely. I am very much in love with this. I think this is, I don't know what my favourite synthetic is out the collection. You know, so we have, if you love something straight and long, we've got the gorgeous Sarah Lite, which is long. We have the beautiful Cameron Bob, which is straight and gorgeous. We have this Julianne Lite. If you're somebody who likes to buy a wig that looks one straight, one curly, so for synthetic it looks like you've just curled your hair one day, then if you get the Cameron Lite, which sits around about this kind of level in me, and then you have the Julianne Lite, it might look as though you've kind of curled your hair and moves between the two. This is gorgeous. I'm wearing the shade 101F48T, which is also known as Martini, and I love that. So they do have California Blonde collection, we've got the grey collection, we've got the chocolate collection, we've got all the favourite shades available. So there is a colour there for everybody, from black to blonde to your greys to this is considered part of the grey collection. It is a very ashy blonde type colour, and I love this shade very much. So this is Julianne Lite from Jon Renau, part of the SmartLace Lite collection for 2021. I am going to head off for now. I will be showing a video with all 5 styles just very quickly to show you them, and I will also have a video individually. So this was Julianne Lite. I hope you'll love her. If you buy her, you will love her very much. She is beautiful. So I'm going to go for now. I'll be back soon, so keep sparkling, be beautiful. See you guys very soon. Bye.